Hi, my name's Martina Avalos, and I'm a senior lawyer here at the Nieves Law Firm in Oakland, California. And I wanted to talk to you a little bit about carrying a concealed firearm, which is a charge we see quite often here at the Nieves Law Firm. And a lot of people make the mistake of thinking, since we live in the United States, which has the Second Amendment, which guarantees the right to bear arms, that it's not a crime to carry a concealed firearm. However, that's not the case in California. California has some of the strictest gun laws in the country, and California has made it a crime to carry a concealed firearm, which means that if you're carrying a firearm in your waistband, underneath your sweatshirt, in a purse, in a backpack, or concealed in your vehicle, that it can be charged as a crime. And this is a crime that's known as a wobbler, meaning it can be charged as either a felony or a misdemeanor. And there are certain circumstances in which the district attorney has the discretion to charge it as a felony. So the default really is it should be charged as a misdemeanor. But for instance, the situation that we see charged as a felony most often is when it's unregistered and loaded. That's a felony. But the other circumstances are if it's being carried by somebody who's a known active participant in a street gang, someone who has been charged and convicted of a felony or certain outline misdemeanors such as domestic violence, or if the gun has been stolen. However, that's not to say that just because you've been charged with it, that this is automatically going to be a conviction. There's a lot that a experienced attorney can do with these kinds of cases. There's what's called a Bruin motion, where all over the state of California, people have been challenging these laws as being unconstitutional. And so that's one of the first things an experienced attorney is going to want to look at. In addition, an experienced attorney is going to want to look at, has there been a Fourth Amendment violation? Meaning, has the person who's been charged with this crime been violated in some way? Meaning, has the law enforcement officer stopped them illegally, searched them illegally? And quite frankly, that's often the case in these types of cases. And there may be a myriad of factual defenses available to someone. So it's definitely our strong recommendation that if you or someone you know has been charged with this type of crime, that you'd want a lawyer to look at it. And here at the Nieves Law Firm, we'd be happy to do that for you.